Welcome to the video catalog of Greenwatt CT PT Analyzer. Greenwatt CT PT Analyzer, as the name suggests, is the all-in-one equipment for testing of CTs and PTs. It is capable of testing CVTs also with the help of external accessory. To understand the working of CT PT Analyzer in a detailed way, we have to first understand how the traditional system looks like. In traditional CT testing system, we have a primary current injection kit for current generation. It injects the rated current in the primary side of CT under test. Same primary current is passed to the primary side of standard CT also. We need artificial current burdens and signal comparators to find the ratio error and phase error of the CT under test. By analyzing the secondary output of both the CTs, we can compare the results. To test a winding resistance of a CT, we need a winding resistance tester. Similarly, to test a knee point of a CT, we need a knee point tester. For testing polarity of a CT, we need a polarity testing device. If we want to test a PT, we need a PT high voltage source, a standard PT, and an artificial PT burden, and a voltage comparator also. Hence, as a whole, if we want to test ratio error, phase error, winding resistance, excitation curve plotting, polarity on a CT or PT, we need a whole bulk of equipment which will weigh more than 300 kg. It is very difficult to move on site and do the testing using these equipments. This process is complex and time-taking. Greenwatt CT PT Analyzer conducts all above tests in a single connection. As we move on the specification part, we can see that Greenwatt CT PT Analyzer is having a voltage source of 0 to 180 volt AC. GW CT PT Analyzer works on the principle of reducing frequency. It is capable of saturating the current transformers with the highest knee points using reduced frequency principle. The other important thing which you will observe in this catalog is that GW CT PT Analyzer can conduct testing as per IEC 60044-1, IEC 60044-6, IEC 61869-1, etc. GW CT PT Analyzer can compare the test results of your CT with the results required as per selected standards. As far as turn ratio is concerned, it is capable of measuring turns ratio from 1 to 35,000 turns. If we talk about knee point measurement, Greenwatt CT PT Analyzer is capable of measuring any level of knee point available in the market. We can see that the weight of the equipment is hardly 15 kg. Its connection cables are voltage cables, hence cable weight is also very less. Now again, in this section, we will be discussing about how our GW CT PT Analyzer is better than the traditional setup in terms of usability, handling, testing error possibility, and user safety. One very important point is user safety during testing of excitation curves. In our system, few protection CTs used at 400 kV or 765 kV even have a knee point up to 5 to 6 kilovolts. In this case, traditionally, we have to apply AC voltage up to 6 kV on the secondary side of CT. This might be an unsafe affair, as CT secondary points are physically very close to each other. Similarly, few CT testing equipment are having 2 kV or 3 kV voltage source of 50 Hz. These equipments are not able to test the knee points of CTs with higher knee points due to their voltage limitations. On other hand, GW CT PT Analyzer applies a low voltage signal of up to 180 volts to the secondary of a CT and reduces its frequency to achieve any result. Hence, it is very safe to use. coming back to the catalog, we can see that in this big touchscreen display, we can analyze the excitation curve. We can even find the excitation current at any point of curve by entering the respective excitation voltage also. In this section, we can see the result screen of ratio error, phase error and polarity display of a CT PT analyzer. In the winding resistance display, we can see that GW CT PT Analyzer is having an inbuilt temperature sensor, with the help of which it notes the ambient temperature and finds the winding resistance. Same resistance is automatically converted to 75 degrees centigrade as per IEC standard. GW CT PT Analyzer is capable of finding error curve and hysteresis curve also. A user can compare the hysteresis curve of two CTs and hence get an idea about core losses of those CTs. GreenWatt has performed numerous demonstrations of GW CT PT Analyzer in generating stations, transmission substations, and distribution utilities. GreenWatt's GW CT PT Analyzer, with the help of its advanced noise rejection circuitry, is capable of testing CTs even in the charged substation environment. Hope you all find this video catalog useful.